Welcome to Second Life Upcycling. I bought this cotton sundress for $5 from my local thrift store. I actually featured it in one of my thrift haul videos back in February. I had been on the lookout for a dress to add a capped sleeve to, and this one was perfect. Along the way, I made a few basic alterations to tailor it to my height and personal style. The first step was to reduce the hemline. The reason why I did this first was because I needed the fabric to make the new capped sleeves. Next, I cut off the spaghetti straps. I didn't think spaghetti straps would be sturdy enough to support the new capped sleeve, so I made wider straps. Using the fabric I cut from the bottom hem, I created two new shoulder straps around 30mm wide, or 1.2 inches. The new straps were then stitched in the same place as the original spaghetti straps. I did play around with the length of the straps to elevate the neckline because it was originally too low for me. Then I made the new capped sleeves. I created my own pattern for the sleeves based on how short I wanted them. You could adjust this according to your personal taste. For this project, I folded the fabric for the capped sleeves in half so the same pattern was visible on the underside of the sleeve. Next time I might try sewing a contrasting fabric to the underside to add a surprise pop of colour. Sewing each sleeve inside out, be sure to leave a small section of the seam open so you can turn it right side in. To get a straight edge, I use a knitting needle. Each sleeve is then pressed so the edges are nice and sharp. Next, find the center of the shoulder strap, being the top of your shoulder, and match this to the center of the sleeve piece. Pin the sleeve to the underside of the shoulder strap and top stitch it in place, and you're done. And here it is finished. I think the cap sleeve really elevated this dress and made it just a little bit more special. What do you think? Do you prefer it before or after? If you like sewing DIY tutorials, you might also like to check out my other sleeve sewing tutorial, which features how to make bell sleeves and puffy sleeves. I'll put a link below in the description. Thanks for watching. If you would like to see more tutorials like this one, please give me a thumbs up, it really helps. I upload sewing and upcycling videos weekly, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss an update. See you next time.